Hi, this is Dr. Candice Iller, and today we're going to talk about pneumonia in infants and children, or better known as pediatric community-acquired pneumonia or PCAP. Ang pneumonia po ay isang kondisyon wherein there is infection of the lungs brought about by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Now, ang anak po ninyo ay pwede pong may magka-pneumonia kung meron po siyang ubo, meron po siyang lagnat, at meron po siyang any of the following symptoms. Number 1, meron po ba siyang takip niya or hirap po ba siyang huminga? And we base it from the respiratory rate or the number of times that they breathe in a minute, no? So, ilang beses po ba nagbe-breathe yung anak ninyo sa isang minuto? So, medyo kinakount po namin yan, lalo na po sa mga hospitals, no? So, it's different for every age group. Now, for example, if yung anak niyo po is 3 months to 12 months of age, if ang breathing po ba niya is more than or equal to 50 times, no? 50 breaths in a minute, then we can consider your baby as having takip niya or difficulty breathing. Or, for example, in a child 5 to 12 years of age, for example, more than 30 breaths in a minute, then it's already considered as having takip niya. So, it's different for every age group. Number 2, meron po bang grunting na tinatawag? Parang galit po si baby. May sound po siyang pinuproduce na parang nag-grunt siya, no? So, it's already a sign, no? Number 3, meron po ba siyang alar flaring? So, lumalaki po ba yung nostril ng anak ninyo? So, that is one sign. Number 4, other than oxygen saturation, which is determined po sa hospital, no, using our pulse oximeter, the O2 saturation should be less than 95% para part po siya ng criteria. Now, the last one is chest indrawing or retractions. So, if you notice, when you go to your pediatrician and your baby has cough, no, other than nag-examine po si doc, is minsan pinapataas po niya yung damit ni baby kasi tinitingnan po niya yung ribs, no? Kasi there is already chest indrawing, meron po bang pagpasok ng muscles or in between the two ribs, no? So, meron po ba siyang retractions, no? So, it could be intercostal or meron po din na subcostal retraction. So, it is determined by your pediatrician. Now, if your child has any of these symptoms, please see your nearest pediatrician. So, thank you all for watching, and I hope you learned something today.